Hi everyone, Emma here. I have some lovely things to show you. Um, a representative from NBEADS sent me an email asking me if I would do some videos for them as a collaboration. So they sent me these goodies. They asked me to add some stuff to my cart, and then they would ship them to me. So I received these really quick, and I want to just show them to you. In the meantime, I should let you know that, let me bring up, you can use, and I will write it in the description, it's also in the title, the coupon code Emma. It's capital E and then lowercase MMA01, and that's the coupon code to get $3 off a minimum order of $24 US. Yeah, so let's go back to the pricing on these items. So let's start out with these turtles. These were a promotion. I don't think they have any left actually of these. So sorry, I got the rest of them. There's 20 in a package. I'll just go through in case they order more. So let's just scoot these off for a second here. So they come in these lovely packages, and everything was double wrapped with bubble wrap and everything. And this is what it looks like. So these are, I just went into their section for porcelain beads to find these, and I just went through everything they had to get an idea what there was. And oh my goodness, I'm going to open both just to see if there's any issues with chipping and stuff like that. Okay. This is the only bag I didn't have ready to go. There we go. I just have to say they're adorable. Oh my god. These are so beautiful. And let me get something to hold it up so you can see the whole orientation on these guys. Let's do one of these. Got lots of glaze on it. So the hole is from the head to the tail, just like that. That is, let me bring this off. These are so amazing. They're so cute. Oh, I have no idea what we're going to make with these, but we are going to make something spectacular with these. They are so cute. Look at the side. And there's the whole. Let's see if this focuses a bit better. A little better. They are so beautiful. They're all pretty even. Some have a tiny bit more glaze, but they're all beautiful. And now this one's a bit light. That's the only one I see that's like that. They're actually not too bad. Wow, they're beautiful. I still can't get over these. So these were $2.27 for 20 of them. And I think, like I said, I think I did get the last two, but go ahead and take a look. I will put the link in the video. I'm not sure what the regular price of these are normally. So I'll just slide these off to the side. And I wanted to show you these. So this is how these ones came, and these ones are 10 pieces in a package, and they were $1.63, and I ordered 4 packages. And this is the item I was saying that I've gone back and I've placed an order for 500 of them. So I'll be doing kits with whatever we make with these, or just selling them like that. They are beautiful. Wait till you see them. I thought this was open. There. Look at these. Oh, it's like candy. Like those sugar candies. Oh my gosh. These are, you know what? The camera's not doing them justice. There, look at that. You can see like all the little dots, and it's got more glaze color in the edges and stuff. They are stunning. They almost look like they have a luster on them. This yellow one is phenomenal. So we are going to make some sugar skull bracelets with these guys. So I think these are going to go. You could just take these two and make earrings. Look at that. Pair of earrings. There's another pair of earrings. I feel like I'm in an infomercial. And we have another pair of earrings. And then we have another. They're incredible. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this was 10 in a mix. I think, yeah, you could order them by color as well. So if I haven't told you, it's $1.63 US for a package of 10. And you can, I think you can, yeah, you can buy them in 500s because I did buy a set of 500. Now they were on sale, the 500 pack, but the sale ends. So by the time you see this video, the sale have ended. But it may come up again, so don't be discouraged by that. Oh my gosh, this yellow one, I have to take a look. Look at this. Oh, it's just incredible. They're just stunning. Look at how beautiful that is. There's the holes. These are, I just totally fell in love with these guys. This is the one I said I fell in love when I saw them. And I fell in love when I got them out of the package. I didn't even open them. I just kind of looked at one and then put it back before the unboxing because I wanted you to see my reaction because they're stunning. The turquoise color is unbelievable. So is the pink. All the colors are amazing, but these are probably my two favorite. Sorry. And then this one. And then this one. I can't help it. This is not right. Look at how beautiful these are. Okay, so let's take a look at the other mixes that we got because there's more. So I got 4 mixes. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I got reds and I got a dark blue and another yellow. Some more pinks. So there is the red. Oh, this is going to be incredible. The sugar skulls. That's set there. And then this set. Some more reds. Yay. This one's interesting. It's like there wasn't enough glaze. Oh, and this one, I don't know if that's chip. No, it's just a flaw in the. So it's like there wasn't enough glaze, but it looks amazing. Oh, that's stunning. And this one has too much glaze. You know, the inconsistency is there randomly. It's not like a huge deal for me, but I think I love the fact that there's some that are like just saturated with glaze and color. It gives it makes it look like a puff heart, you know, next to something like that. They look totally different, but they're not. So only 2 dark blues in that. That's interesting. And then there's this set. So that is the mix that I got, which is great because I got lots of reds. I'm so glad about that. I got a fair amount of pinks and some blues. I would have liked more greens for sure. But we'll see what I get in the 500 mix. That could be interesting. So there's those guys. So let's just slide that over a bit. Actually, let's move this way. and put the other one in between. Let's wait till you see the next one. I may end up losing it. Oh, look at these. So these ones are called, oh, it doesn't have the color. Let me bring this up on the page. These ones are called PrussianBlue. And they're on sale right now for $1.55. And I think I probably paid more. I mean, I didn't pay for it. They sent it to me, but the price that was on my invoice, $1.63, so no big deal. So these are gorgeous. Now these ones, I feel like there's not enough glaze on them, so they're a bit rough in areas. And they look more like, to me, these look like gunmetal color, which is kind of what I was going for anyway, so that's good. So there's one, there's glaze missing on that. So these ones I find are a little less quality. Like if they were all like this one, I'd be super happy. It's hard to see because they're so shiny. Here's one with less glaze. But the less glaze is nice because then you see all the little dots because it's so dark. So there's those. And I got 2 packages of these. And this is the other package. So they're pretty much the same. They are stunning. Just beautiful. So there's my, where's my goodies? Oh my gosh. We're swimming in beads. There we go. That's incredible. Just lovely. So we are going to make some fun stuff with this. I hope you enjoyed this eye candy. And we'll see what we can make. Yeah. So don't forget, if you put in capital E Emma01 in the coupon code section, you'll get $3 off of a minimum order of $24. Let me just double check that. Yep, that's correct. And it's NBEADS. And they were great. I really, I just finished placing a huge order with them. I was really impressed with everything that I got. So, and this was the other thing that I had ordered. And there's a separate video showing you these guys. And I got a whole bunch of these Miyuki 11O sea beads, and they are lovely. And there's a video on how to make a goddess bracelet with these guys. So stay tuned for a lovely video with these things. I'll probably do 2 videos, one with the turtles and one with the hearts. There we go. Take care, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.